One day, in a faraway land, lived a kind Imperial officer named Max. He was known for his golden armor and his heart full of kindness. Max loved to walk through the forest every evening, admiring the stars and the fireflies that lit up the night. One night, as he was walking, he saw a firefly trapped in a jar. "Oh, little firefly, you don't belong in there," Max said, carefully taking the jar from the ground. He held it gently, watching the firefly flutter its wings. "I'll set you free," Max promised, and he carried the jar back to his palace. He found a small garden in the palace courtyard, filled with flowers and trees. Max opened the jar, and the firefly flew out, glowing brightly as it soared into the night sky. Max watched it disappear, and he felt a warm smile spread across his face. The next day, Max decided to visit the garden every night to watch the fireflies. He realized that by setting one free, he had started a tradition. The garden became a sanctuary for fireflies, and Max was their guardian. Max continued to serve as an Imperial officer, but his heart was filled with joy every time he saw the fireflies in his garden. He taught the other officers about the importance of kindness and respect for all creatures, big and small. And so, Max the Imperial officer became known not just for his golden armor, but for his golden heart. And the fireflies, they continued to light up his nights, reminding him of the power of kindness and the magic of a simple act. The end.